What if Fujifilm finally built the X-Pro4 the way fans have been dreaming? Not just a spec upgrade, but a camera that actually feels like a new era. Today we're unpacking the rumors, the believable leaks, and what actually matters if you're a street or documentary shooter. I'll tell you what the likely guts are, what Fuji might change about the design, thankfully, probably no more hidden screen, and whether the price will feel like sticker shock or a fair trade for something that could actually be special. Stick around. The last bit on price and timing might make you decide to buy, wait, or sell your X-Pro4. The loudest rumor, the X-Pro4 could borrow the 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5-hour sensor that's already proven itself in Fujifilm's newer bodies, paired with the X Processor 5, the same combo that's given the X series that gorgeous high-res look. That combo explains the 40 megapixel chatter and why people expect top-tier JPEGs straight out of camera. Here's where I get a little smug. The X-Pro series has always been about feel. Rumors point toward Fujifilm ditching the X-Pro3's inward-folding hidden screen and moving back to a more usable LCD, maybe a cleverly protected tilting screen so purists can stay distraction-free while the rest of us can actually check framing fast. That would be a brilliant middle path, classic vibe without the practical headaches. If Fujifilm wants the X-Pro4 to matter, it can't just be prettier. The hybrid viewfinder needs to be noticeably better, sharper EVF, brighter OVF, with less parallax. And autofocus needs to be rock solid for street and reportage work. Sources say Fuji's thinking the same. An improved hybrid viewfinder and autofocus refinements are high on the wish list. If they deliver that, plus smarter subject recognition, the X-Pro4 stops being niche and starts feeling like a tool you can trust in chaos. Expectations include in-body image stabilization and a sensible video package. Think useful, 4K 60p and 10-bit internal, for hybrid shooters, not a full cinema rig. That's the sweet spot. Enough video chops to make the camera versatile, but still primarily a photographer's instrument. If Fuji adds more flexible color controls, HSL sliders, or user LUTs, this thing could be genuinely attractive to creators who want Fuji's color straight out of camera, but still want post flexibility. Fujifilm has confirmed a successor to the X-Pro4 is in development, but multiple trustworthy rumor threads also warn it's been delayed. It may not land in 2025 and could slip into 2026 as Fuji tweaks the concept to be something more than just another update. Price chatter ranges from the $2,000 zone up toward $2,600 to $2,800 if Fuji pushes premium upgrades, so be prepared for a top-tier APS-C price tag if they go all in. So hype justified? Maybe. If Fujifilm gives us that proven 40 megapixel sensor plus a seriously improved hybrid viewfinder, IBIS, and a thoughtful screen solution, the X-Pro4 could actually live up to the legend. If they phone it in and slap old internals in a pretty body, fans will be rightfully annoyed. What do you want to see most in the X-Pro4? Drop your non-negotiables in the comments. I read them. If you like this breakdown, smash that like, subscribe for more camera rumors and real-world takes, and hit the bell so you don't miss the moment Fujifilm finally says, "Here it is." Trust me on this one. We're close to finding out.